Hello guys, welcome you all. This is Anchor FX. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So guys, we are here again to show you and to let you know on and to make you understand how we place our trade and how we make money online right now. This how we make money, guys. This for you to see. These indices for those who doesn't know. These synthetic indices and there's a volatility 75 and we're using a loss size of 0.09 right now. This is what 0.09 loss size, guys. This is why we're using 0.09 because there's a large amount that we have here because it's a demo account. It's a large amount that we have here because it's a demo account, and we're having a profit of $4,493, $4,526, guys. So guys, I would like you guys to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for you to learn and understand and know more about how we make and place our trade. There's a previous video that we have done on how we place our trade. Follow us up so that you see the current and the recent video and the video that we are about to do and that we are gonna do, guys. Follow us up, guys. This is Anchor FX and we're here for you. So anything that you don't understand and you don't know about this, all this is for newbies and the ones that are already trading on volatility indices, guys. Follow us up and you will learn more from us, guys. Follow us up and you will learn more from us, guys. Follow us up, guys. So guys, let us show you how our indicator setups, guys. There's a moving average. There's a moving average. Period is 10, shift 0, method is simple, apply to close, tie is a strip pixel rad, level is style is 1 pixel in level. Then we talk about time frame is all, guys. Then let's go to our indicator window. Our relative strength index, the period is 14, apply to close, style is 1 pixel, oven level is 90, down 50. Then time frame is all. Then we go to our envelope period is 20, shift 0, deviation is 0.900, method is simple, apply to close, style upper band is 4 pixel blue, then 4 pixel blue, lower band is 4 pixel red, level is new, time frame is all. Then we go to our moving average under indicator window 1, our moving average under indicator window 1. So we got period is 10, shift 0, method is simple, apply to close, style is 3 pixel red, level is new, and time frame is all, guys. That's how you set up your indicator. If you want to know more, please message us on our link down below. We have a Telegram group that will give out free signals, guys. We give out free signals. So guys, there are more we do right here in Anchor FX. We do have robot and free signals and VIP signals, and we do offer account mentorship and account management as well, guys. To offer what account management, we do trade synthetic indices and currency pairs as well. So we do trade on synthetic indices and currency pairs as well, guys. So if you have any, you can bring them forth for account management, VIP signals, and account mentorship if you're a new bill. So guys, this strategy is the best you have to follow. Only the best strategy you have to follow is the strategies used by us, guys. I don't know for you all, but apparently our strategies do give us a victory of 99% victory, guys. 99% victory, and apparently when you stick with us, guys, you have exactly what you're looking for right here, guys. Now, our next video, I'll open a live trade on how you take profit, how you make money, and how you become a millionaire or a thousandaire in US dollar, guys. So thank you all, thank you very much. This Anchor FX. Follow us up on our YouTube channel, and you can give us a thumbs up give us a thumbs up, please, guys, and follow us up on our YouTube channel. Join our free Telegram group so that you have a free signals, and you can as well ask for our VIP signals. You can chat us up on our messenger link down and our WhatsApp link down below, guys. Thank you, or thank you very much. This Anchor FS. You're blessed, guys. Thank you so much more. Thank you so much.